Hello, and welcome everyone to Apex Salesforce Tutorials. Let's unlock the power of Salesforce together. Today, we're going to embark on an exciting journey into the world of Salesforce, a robust customer relationship management (CRM) platform that's revolutionizing how businesses interact with their customers. We'll start by introducing Salesforce and discussing what it is and its role as a CRM platform. Then we'll delve into the key features of Salesforce, including contact and account management, sales and opportunity management, marketing automation, customer service and support, and analytics and reporting. Next, we'll explore the advantages of Salesforce, such as cross-functional insights and reporting, customer-centric automation, proactive service, optimized processes, and simplified collaboration. But we'll also be honest about its disadvantages, discussing its complexity, cost, and customization limitations. Finally, we'll look into the future, discussing the scope of Salesforce in terms of cloud computing growth, AI integration, and expansion into various industries, and how it provides a unified customer view. So sit back, relax, and join us as we unravel the power of Salesforce. Let's get started. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about Salesforce, a robust customer relationship management (CRM) platform that's transforming the way businesses interact with their customers. What is Salesforce? Salesforce is a cloud-based CRM platform that provides a single shared view across all your departments, including sales, service, commerce, and marketing. It empowers and develops your sales teams with integrated lead management, forecasting tools, and the ability to quote, price, and configure every deal. Key points of Salesforce. Salesforce offers a comprehensive suite of tools and functionalities designed to enhance sales, marketing, and customer service processes. Some of the key features include contact and account management. Salesforce provides a robust database to store and organize customer information. Sales and opportunity management. Salesforce streamlines sales processes, enabling targeted marketing campaigns. Marketing automation. Salesforce delivers exceptional customer service and offers advanced reporting and analytics features. Customer service and support. Salesforce enhances customer service processes, enabling businesses to respond to customer inquiries and issues faster and more effectively. Analytics and reporting. Salesforce provides powerful analytics and reporting tools that help businesses analyze their data and gain actionable insights. Advantages of Salesforce. Salesforce offers numerous advantages that make it a preferred choice for businesses of all sizes. Cross-functional insights and reporting. Salesforce consolidates a comprehensive analysis of your customers' online activity to paint a holistic picture of their needs. Customer-Centric Automation. Salesforce's CRM tools are supercharged with integrations that foster collaboration and accessible data. Proactive Service. Salesforce's Service Cloud helps businesses streamline customer service processes. Optimized processes. Salesforce offers tools for managing leads, opportunities, and sales pipelines, streamlining sales processes, and improving overall efficiency. Simplified Collaboration. Salesforce provides a centralized platform where businesses can store and manage all customer data. Disadvantages of Salesforce. While Salesforce is a powerful platform, it also has its own set of disadvantages. Complexity. Salesforce is a complex platform that can be difficult to navigate without proper training. Cost. Salesforce can be expensive, especially for small businesses or startups. Customization limitations. While Salesforce is highly customizable, it may require coding knowledge to fully leverage its capabilities. Future scope of Salesforce. The future scope of Salesforce is bright and evolving. It involves cloud computing growth, AI integration, expansion into various industries, and a focus on providing a unified customer view. The ecosystem will continue to grow, enabling more customization and collaboration. In conclusion, Salesforce is a powerful CRM platform that offers a wide range of tools and functionalities to enhance business processes. While it has its advantages and future scope make it a valuable tool for any business. Thank you for diving into the world of Salesforce with us. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and hit that subscribe button for more amazing Salesforce tutorials. Remember to ring the bell so you never miss an update. Happy Salesforce learning!